Good deal.
There was one.
Yeah, it was. All right, we're gonna set that in there. That locks up pretty tight. So, what we gotta do, we gotta see which side is. That's a right. All right. We'll go ahead and move the pubis in through here. Do a contact right here. Good deal. And then, of course, what you can see is instantaneous increase in motion in through there. And then we're going to reset the trochanters into the acetabular joints. It's actually a femur head. Let it go. Tell you what, go ahead and lift up your butt there a little bit and then drop it real quick. There you go. Nice. All right. So if you want to learn this and several other options as far as care and chiropractic, look at McDougle Chiropractic Methods. We're going to have a great time at official Strongman Games. We'd love for you to be there too.